Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's Quinton here and welcome to tutorial number 14. And in this tutorial I am going to start showing you guys how to do a few really cool Bootstrap things using some Bootstrap components. So in this video specifically we're going to be looking at the list group component, which I think is really awesome. And basically what this does is just allow you to have a list that's like enclosed in a box, and each item basically has a border and stuff. So it kind of looks almost like a table, except not really. And there's some really amazing uses for this. So I'm gonna just show you guys how to make it. And you'll notice that I'm starting this tutorial off with a container or a div class of container. I've got my row. I've also got a column that is set to take up the full width of our grid. Okay. And inside of here, I'm going to go ahead and add my unordered list. So open up this list and then go ahead and close this list. And then I'm going to add in a class. So class. And I'm going to give this a class of list dash group. So in other words, this is not going to be an unordered list with bullet points or anything like that. We're actually going to make it into a list group. Then I need to add in a list item, and I'm going to end that list item off. And I'm going to give this list item a class as well. So let's go ahead and say class is going to be equal to list dash group dash item. So each list item has to have this class to look good, I guess. Well, yeah, it's not going to carry through the styling if you don't give it this class. And then we can go ahead and add in some random things. So let's just say this is a list of fruit. I'm going to go ahead and copy this now and just paste it a couple times. And I'll change this to apples, oranges, and bananas. Okay. So now we've got our list of fruit, and each one of these list items has a class. If I go ahead and save this now, and we jump back over to the browser, you can see as soon as I hit refresh, I have my list group show up, and each one of these list items has a border around it, which is pretty cool. So this is kind of like a little menu almost, and there's some really cool stuff we can do with this. So let's just say I shorten the parent container to about 3 columns or so, so that it would just be on the side of your website and you could still have content over here. I can go ahead and add a badge to each one of those list items. So if I take a look at how to do that, you just add a span tag, and then we're going to say ending span. Okay, and inside of the span tag we can, add whatever we want in our badge, like the number 14 or the number 2 or whatever you really want to add there. And then you just need to give this span tag a class of badge, just like that. And if I break this down a line, maybe just tidy up my code slightly, just like that. And if we come back here, you can see that now we have a badge next to we have a badge next to our list item, which is pretty awesome. Okay, and that's one cool thing that we can do. We can also give each one of these list items a contextual class or a disabled class. So I'm gonna say active as this class, and on my second list item I'm gonna give this a class of disabled, and I might as well just give the last one a class of success, I believe is the right one, and that should turn it green. So I'm going to hit save now, come back here and hit refresh, and you can see that our active list item has now turned blue and our badge changed somewhat. We've got a disabled list item, which you can see the cursor is now different as well. So we now have a cursor with that like disabled sign, and yeah, this list item is disabled. Okay, I was wrong about that success class. Unfortunately, it is going to have to be list dash item dash success. And wow, it's actually quite a long class. It's list dash group dash item dash success. And you can use this kind of class to add in any one of those contextual classes. So list group item success is going to turn it green. Then danger will turn it red. Warning would be that orange color, and so on. Info would be the blue, the light blue. So let's go back here and take a look, and you can see that now I've made a green list item just like that. And like I said, you could use any one of the other colors as well. So danger will make it red, just like that. Awesome. So that is how to use the list group component in Bootstrap, and that is all I have for you guys in this video. So don't forget to subscribe. Please feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. It's really going to help my channel grow, and I will see you guys next time.